Hey guys, Productions here. In this video I'll be taking a look at the Arctic Air Pure Chill as seen on TV. This also has a UV light to purify air as it cools. Now this is a new model that recently came out. It has 0 reviews on Amazon, 0 videos on YouTube, so I thought I might as well make a video on it. It's really mini and portable, can take it pretty much anywhere. Like the few examples shown here: office, bedroom, bathroom, and so on. This retails for $39.99 on Amazon. Link in the description down below if you guys would like to purchase. Enjoy cool, clean air anywhere. And it is pretty fresh air from what I have tested. It cools, purifies, and humidifies. Really packing a punch in this. It also has a built-in LED light, which personally I don't really like because operating this at nighttime it is a little bit too bright. So the secret apparently is hydro chill technology that cools the air. And on the bottom we have a little warning which says the ultraviolet light bulb in this device contains trace amounts of mercury, a chemical known to the state of California to cause birth defects or other reproductive harm. This is your P65 warning. It's scary. So it's been on a lot of the products I've reviewed, like back to back to back, the Astro headphones and then now this. But anyways, this comes with the charger, the actual AC itself, and replaceable air filter and an easy instructions guide. Alright, so it says stop, do not return to the store. You can contact them and there's a warranty on this too. Also, this is eco-friendly and runs up to 10 hours per fill. Here's a little quick start guide almost. It's telling you for the best results, pre-soak the filter, and for even better results, put it in the freezer. And here's the full guide. Don't really need the instructions because I will be telling you how to operate this device in this video. Here's the wall adapter that plugs into the back of the unit, which is DC 5 volts. This is also a 6 feet long cable, which is pretty good. So here's the AC itself. It's pretty small and compact. It's nice. It has this white plastic build. Kind of feels cheap. And here's the vent in the front. It's taped up just to avoid parts removing while shipping. Inside you can see the air filter, which also cools it. This is what you have to soak and put in the freezer, which is optional, but that's for the best quality. You slide out this tray and here's the filter. Just goes this way. It looks pretty nice. And here are some directions on the top of how to soak it and put it in the fridge if you'd like. It says insert filter here in the bottom. And here's the top 3 fan speeds, as you can see. Goes high to low, and that's the light, changing the color. Back is the DC port. As you can see, just plugging that in. I just plugged it in and that's the high setting. You can also use it without the filter, but it's just a fan at that point. Nothing's coming out the top. I think that's more of like a humidifying reservoir. But I have noticed on the vents there's drops of water, which I think that's what the humidifier is doing. Now I have it filled up with water and the filter is pre-soaked. I went down to my sink to do this using a water bottle. Would be better. It would be less messy. But yeah, here you can see the filter. It's not really budging, but yeah. Put that back in and you just turn it on. At the end, there's also a sound test with everything flowing and everything working. And in terms of coolness goes, this is cool. It's not cold. There's a difference. I think maybe if you freeze it, it would be better, but I don't think you're gonna get this like cold flowing from it, or at least for very long. Again, it really also depends on what climate you are in. As you can see, there's a window behind me, and if I do open that window up a little bit, it is pretty cold. I live in Pennsylvania. It would be much greater. Like the chill would actually make it colder. But this in and of itself is just cool. It has a nice, decent blast um, for the price, for the size and all. It is pretty decent, and I think you can power this up with a small room. Anything bigger than that, it's not really going to be worth it. It's more of a personal AC. Don't be expecting it to, like, cool a room. And for what it is, it does good.